Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are unboxing a very special die-cast model, the Hot Wheels Ice Charger from the Fate of the Furious. As this iconic car, driven by Vin Diesel character, plays a major role in the film Climax. So let's dive in and take a closer look. First, let's get this beauty out of the box. And it looks really cool, right? This ice charger has been released in various versions since 2017, each with a unique color and detail. But this version comes with the sleek black stripe on the hood and around the rear, as it gives a fiery look. The RT on the quarters add a touch of authenticity. And the bullet holes on the driver's side are a nod to the intense action scenes in the movie. And of course, the EMP in the back. It's a unique feature that set this model apart. How cool is that? So let me know in the comments, what do you think about the ice charger? So that's all for today. The Hot Wheels Ice Charger is a fantastic addition to any collection, especially for the fans of the Fast and Furious franchise. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling and happy collecting.